Hey guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm out here in my forest, our backyard. We have 5 acres, and we are going to go on a little nature walk out here. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I'm down here. My brother built us this zip line out here in our forest. It goes, I don't know if you can see all the way up there, that little stand. And there's this pretty path that goes down there. Let's see, we have lots of different types of trees out here, mostly oak, osage, we got maple. We actually found a cherry tree, a wild cherry tree in our forest the other day. We got all kinds of brush, as you can see. We've found some wild raspberries back here and some blackberries, so all different types of underbrush. One thing you need to be be careful of out here in Missouri, at least, is poison ivy. We have a lot of poison ivy, which is a very big problem here. My brother also made us this little bridge here you can walk across. But yeah, we have a pretty cool forest out here. We used to have a slack line that went across here and we would walk across it. There's our stand for our zip line. It goes all the way down there. That was just right over there a second ago. Let's look at the view from up there. It's super pretty. We got that path down there. Got quite a few paths actually. One that goes down that way. As you can see, it's so pretty out here right now. It's a bit hot, but that's alright. Alright, so I'm up here at the first little stand. And it's just a beautiful view, as you can see. It's a perfect day. One thing you do have to be careful of is to put on bug spray, which I forgot to do, so I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes while taking this video, but it's okay, it's worth it. Let's see what else. We have this other bridge here. It's beautiful. Here's an example of what I was talking about. Don't touch it because it's very owy. But this is poison ivy, I believe. Actually, wait, no. This is a better example. It actually looks like it. That is what poison ivy is, so be careful of that. It's not feel good. It makes you have a big rash and itch very badly. Another thing we found out here is licorice, which we make black licorice out of, so that's pretty cool. We found a few patches here and there. We have tons of these thorny, I don't know if you can see that, but there's tons of thorns on it. We have lots of briars out here, thorny plants. What else? Oh, we also have thorny locust trees, which are not fun. I'm gonna go walk down to one and show you what it's like. But yeah, it's basically just a tree that has tons of huge thorns all over it. It's not fun to walk around by because your foot gets impaled, as Olaf would say. But yeah, we just have this beautiful forest out here, our backyard. It's super fun to walk around in. Remember to put on bug spray. Again, gotten eaten alive. We have our neighbor's pasture back there, which is also super pretty. The sun's shining through. We're coming up onto the Thorny Locust here in a minute. So I can give you an example what not to get by because they're very thorny. So not a good idea. So do the opposite of what I'm doing right now. Don't go looking for them. Our plan is to make a bunch of paths all through here. Put some probably mulch down, keep it really pretty and beautiful so it's easier to walk on. So right now there's not really a super solid path. It's just a bunch of, you know, dirt to walk on. Well, I don't know if you can see it over there, but we hung up our trampoline back there, one that all the legs come off of, so we hung it up in the forest, but it doesn't really work to jump on because, yeah, it just doesn't work. Anyway, we might fix that and use it. But here is an example of a thorny locust tree. See, it's got all these big thorns on it. Not fun to step on. So, yeah, we have all kinds of stuff out here. Also, I just stepped on one, so that was very painful. Wow. So, anyway, my foot's fine, by the way. Yeah, that was our forest. Not all of it, but most of it. It's very beautiful in Missouri here. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. If you have any other ideas for what you want to hear about, I'd love to hear those. But thanks for watching. We hope you